건너가 태평양 Aawwee 개척장 보기도 모르지 정대만
Okay. Oh, this was not bitu vibes, but I'm fucking here for them. What? Ooh, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarabiii, and today we're reacting to BI a few things. Now, I loved what I heard already in that semi deep dive that I did for BI, but now I want to know what this man is really about. I don't know if these are going to be the same like bitu vibes, these 4 songs that I've chosen, but I'm here for it. I'm here for whatever he's gonna give me in any of these videos. I'm excited. So we're gonna be reacting to Keep the Fire Alive, Illa, I think I'm saying that wrong, Waterfall. So I feel like all of those are gonna give me like semi bitu vibes, but if he's gonna give me a little something different, I ain't gonna be mad about it. I'm gonna be even happier about it. But with that being said, let's get into this. Disclaimer: because we are watching 4 videos in one, I will not be doing 2 watch through situations of any of these videos. CCs are gonna be on, and I'm gonna try my absolute darndest to pay attention to the lyrics. I'm gonna try to keep my pausing down to a minimum, but we all know me. When I see something / hear something, I must say something, and it usually leads me to over pause, so apologies in advance if I do. But I mean, this outfit already, I can't see all of it, but the outfit is killer. Outfit is killer right now, so I might be over pausing, who knows. Oh, okay, Terminator. What?
머리에 총구를 겨누고 방아쇠 당기는 신용을 내 광기는 날 움직이는 원동력 살아있음을 실감하게 해 생을 마감할 때가 됐어야 추락을 준비하는 발 없는 새 자유를 느끼고 싶으면 가지 걸 다 잃어봐
They switch spots.
생을 마감할 때가 됐어야 추락을 준비하는 발 없는 새 자유를 느끼고 싶으면 가지 걸 다 잃어봐야 돼 지금까지 모든 선택과 인생의 시나리오 전부 다 한두개 빼고 놓자고 징크베일에서부터 설계함 심장은 열대야 건너가 태평양 Aawwee 개척장 보기도 모르지 정대만
Okay. Oh, this was not bitu vibes, but I'm fucking here for them. What?
열대야 건너가 태평양 Aawwee 개척장 보기도 모르지 정대만 자극은 영감으로 순환해 끝없이 질주의 순풍이 나를 감싸게 어디서 와서 어디로 갔는지 모른 채 의미를 찾기 위해 영혼에다 기름칠을 해 불이 타올라 살아있음을 느껴 I feel alive I'm alive Still alive 숨이 차올라 살아있음을 느껴 I feel alive I'm alive Still alive
This man plays piano too? And a birthday cake.
Fan the flame 꺼지지 않는 불꽃의 탄생 I'm on my way 나가지 자유롭고 고고하게 Trust my fate never gonna break my faith 부딪히고 부서져 혼자 살아있음을 느껴 어차피 내게 주어진 내 life is game 치리뱅 치리뱅뱅
Oh, he's got flow. Oh, he's got flow. Okay.
누구나 원하지 money or fame 근데 그건 중요하지 않아 나의 gain 스스로 생각하고 판단한 뒤 선택한 뒤 결정 끝에 하늘은 내려주겠지 purple rain 난 이미 찍었지 특이 좀 충분한 실현과 확실한 목표 또 한 번의 기회가 make me the 주인공 Flame in my 동공 뜨거운 온도 I gotta go 본돈을 향하는 발걸음은 마치 공룡 아마 내 고민이 배부른 소리로 너네들 귀에는 들리겠지 나름의 철학과 모아서 놔도 어차피 본질은 모르겠지 바닥을 짚고서 여기까지 내가 어디까지 갈지 가늠해봤자 나라는 어리석은 인간은 저기 태양에 닿기를 도전하지 I got the juice make it proof represent you
Oh, that was so fucking clean. I gotta go back.
얘는 들리겠지 나름의 철학과 모아서 놔도 어차피 본질은 모르겠지 바닥을 짚고서 여기까지 내가 어디까지 갈지 가늠해봤자 나라는 어리석은 인간은 저기 태양에 닿기를 도전하지 I got the juice make it proof represent youth 뚜렷한 view 안 마셔 술 안 믿어 운 정신은 물 심장은 불
I'm here for all of this. I am here for all. That man got fucking flow. That man has flow. Oof. All right. That last one, fire. This one, ocean. I feel like it's going to hurt my feelings. I don't know yet, but I have an inkling. I haven't been wrong yet. This is the only thing I've never been wrong about is what is going to hurt my feelings and not. Very self-aware. Maybe not. Nah, this is giving hurt feelings.
두 볼에 흐르는 물줄기를 닦아낸 탓에 해변이 있어 나의 눈꼬리 끝에 뜨겁게 차오른 물방울이 스며든 탓에 나 혼자 외딴섬 길을 잃었어 감정의 빈혈기 전쟁이 난 머릿속 추억의 물결 속에 발을 담그겐 심장까지 열어 붙을 만큼 차가워 해변이 있어 나의 소매 끝에 두 볼에 흐르는 물줄기를 닦아낸 탓에 해변이 있어 나의 눈꼬리 끝에 뜨겁게 차오른 물방울이 스며든 탓에 해변
Okay, maybe not too much of a hurt feeling, but I feel it. I feel like this is this is one of those songs that are like, it's supposed to touch you, but not hurt your feelings. 법을 알려주고 사라진 네 덕에 동공의 자욱한 한계는 거칠 날이 없네 둘이 걷던 모든 길을 편히 걷지 못해 사무치게 끌어안던 네가 이제 어디에서 매로 눈가를 비벼고 미안이라서 싫어 이런 나를 두고 어디가 내 기분은 폭풍우가 지나간 뒤 저기야 해변이
있었나요 소매 끝에
What did he say? My mood is low like the weight is after the storm.
폭풍우가 지나간 뒤 저기요 해변 있었나요 소매 끝에 두 볼에 흐르는 물줄기를 닦아낸 탓에 해변 있었나요 눈꼬리 끝에 뜨겁게 차오른 물방울이 스며든 탓에 그리워하면 내가 제일 잘하는 일 울적하면 내게 가장 편안한 질
That was so true in 1,000 different ways.
내가 제일 잘하는 일 울적하면 내게 가장 편안한 질 깨져버린 맘의 모서리는 뾰족해질 테고 찔리는 건 어차피 또 날 테지만 익숙한 상처인걸 익숙한 작별인걸 어색한 안녕과 덩그러니까지 익숙한 장면인걸 있었나요 소매 끝에 일라 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 눈가에 일렁이는 파도에 난 또 휩쓸리네
Oh, this little addition is nice. 있었나요 소매 끝에 Oh, there was like that is like a weird like happiness feeling that it gave me. Like, you know, like a serene feeling. That's what I feel like. Oh, that gave me a happy feeling inside. It gave me a happy, it was sad, it was happy, and then now I just, you know, like at peace. That's what it is. Oh, it was beautiful. All right, Waterfall. Let's not make this into a waterfall of tears, because I don't know if I'll appreciate that. But
내 이름은 괴물 내 이름은 죄인 내 이름은 위선자 내 이름은 pain 빌어먹을 재능 내 이름을 나 아니면 누가 그래 누가 기억해 I got a lot of pain 인생은 새 노래 끝이 없는 고뇌 마음속에 공백을 채워가는 여행 부끄러운 과거 전부 씻어내면 씻어질 수 있기를 하늘에 빌어보네 서운해 쥐고 있던 모든 걸 내려놓고 나
This is such an interesting like scene to have this sort of like live setup.
피가 제대로 통해 고백 담아놨던 모든 것을 꺼내 바다를 닮은 눈물색을 입 밖으로 토해 Waterfall 춤을 추는 Waterfall 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져 I'm a Waterfall 춤을 추는 Waterfall 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져 내 이름은 쓰레기 어리석은 내다 받아들여야지 무슨 핑계 갖다 대 What's my name, what's my name, what I am, what I am yeah, 물이 되어 흘러가는 흐름대로 살아가려 해 무너진 그 단어 속에 숨겨진 깊이를 이해하니 새로운 미래가 그려짐 틀어진 호흡 다시 가다듬고 사라지는 것들의 미련을 전부 놔야지 이야기엔 커져버린 관념 화면 속의 전쟁터에서 목적 없이 싸워 냉수 한잔 마시고 정신 똑바로 차려 실은 역시 관대해서 나를 다시 살려 Waterfall 춤을 추는 Waterfall 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져 I'm a Waterfall 춤을 추는 Waterfall 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져
This man, if he's one thing, he's a fucking lyricist.
고마운 나의 사람들 생의 모든 인연 생의 모든 기억 어쩌면 그건 다 기적 마음을 다 내려놓고 머릿속도 비워 치열했던 시간들과 다가왔던 시선 소리치던 내 목소리 코맹맹이 비음 헝클어진 머리카락처럼 엉켜있는 감정 빗어내고 나가야지 떨어짐과 동시에 새롭게 시작하는 폭포 That's me
I wonder why he chose this as like, or why this was chosen as the scene for this song. It's over? That wasn't enough. That was not enough. That for sure was not enough. I know my problem is I never get enough, but that was not enough. What? That song needs an extended version. Is there an extended version? It needs one. Because what? Oh, he's so good. All right. Loved. I don't know. I don't know what this is going to bring me. This feels like it's going to hurt my feelings, but I was slightly wrong on that last one, so I don't know what this one is going to give me. So I'm going to withhold my judgment for right now.
I just need a look in the mirror, need a wish in my pocket, always stretching the truth and I need to learn to be honest. 억지로 숨죽일 뻔 허탈함에 갇혔네. I had a love but I lost it. I've got some shit I should mention, pretend my ego is dying. Ask me if I love attention and I'll say no but I'm lying. 시든 눈빛이라서 숨길 여유도 없어 이제 긴 매일매일 끝에 외롭기를 자처해 I don't
There was a little Afro beats in there. There was a little bit.
understand, I don't know why I'm this way, it's like this every time and I'm so fucked up but it's fine. I just find somebody to blame and then I sigh. I just need a look in the mirror, need a wish in my pocket, always stretching the truth and I need to learn to be honest. 억지로 숨죽일 뻔 허탈함에 갇혔네.
His smile.
억지로 숨죽일 뻔 허탈함에 갇혔네. I had a love but I lost it.
reason why he's knocked out on the floor?
내를 기대하는 건 아닌데 I don't understand, I don't know why I'm this way, it's like this every time and I'm so fucked up but it's fine I just find somebody to blame and then I sigh I just need a look in the mirror need a wish in my pocket always stretching the truth and I need to learn to be honest
Never had I have lyrics hit so close to just everything that I feel, if that makes sense. Like, yeah, there's a lot of lyrics that touch my soul, and there's a lot of lyrics that make me cry, and there's a lot of lyrics that hurt, but the reality of some of the shit that he's saying, it hits a little bit too close.
I had a love but I lost it I just need a look in the mirror need a wish in my pocket always stretching the truth and I need to learn to be honest 억지로 숨죽일 뿐 허탈함에 갇혔네 I had a love but I lost it
Is that the fucking end? Ah! Yeah! This man is... It was so good. Final thoughts. This man, I have never felt lyrics so hard than the lyrics that this man lyricked. Everything he sang, it felt so personal. It felt so personal to him and his life. And it just feels like something that you can relate to so easily because it's like, it's a feeling that a lot of people go through. And it's so, like, it's heartbreaking and just like, you know, like humanizing. It's so beautiful. Oh my God. I don't even know how to express how I feel about the songs, but they were so good. They were so beautiful. His lyricism is just something else. Like, he has a flow. He has like even in Keep the Fire Alive, the way that he rapped, it almost didn't feel like he was rapping, but he was just rapping. Like, he has his own flow that is like, I think it's just unique to him, and I'm totally here for it. I just fucking loved these songs. Where have I been this entire time? Why have I not been in this man's orbit? Because what the fuck? Oh my God. Like, oh God, I can't even think what I'm trying to think. But oh my God, like, Keep the Fire Alive was so, it was like a vibe. It was a vibe that I need. And it's just, it's so good. It's so good. It's so good. The visuals, I don't know about the Terminator thing. I don't know if that is symbolic to like the lyrics that he's singing. I don't know. I didn't put two and two together that much in that video because I don't know. Because like the one of the masked people took off the mask and it was him. So I'm like, I don't know. But the keep like the lot all of the fire like symbolism, it felt like it had a lot to do with just like keeping your passions alive. Like, there was a lyric that he was saying, like, he was like, I don't know where like I come from or where I'm headed to, but I like douse or I pour oil on my soul. And oh my God, what a fucking lyric. Like, I don't know if that is like, you know, like how fire it can be fueled by oil, so it's like dousing his soul in oil, then therefore like it keeps his fire alive. Like, his heart, his soul is what he's putting into his music, and throwing that fire or throwing that gasoline or whatever on the fuel onto his soul, wow, is like a metaphor for how he's still moving forward in his music. I don't know, but it was so good. It was so, the dance man is slick. His choreo so fucking slick. He's so good. Oh, and then in what's the next one? Illa Illa. There was something so peaceful at the end, and I could not describe it. There's just like like the whole first part of the song up until I think maybe the last like 50 seconds of the song, it was him like there was a lot of sadness and there was a lot of like wanting to move forward like from a deep depression or like angst and like to a better future. And then it almost felt like the last 56 or 50 seconds of the song was the remedy to the first part of the song, because I think at the end he says something like, I think I'll build like sandcastles again. And that was like the he like coming to like not appreciation, but just coming to like, it's not even grips with reality. I don't even know how to explain what I'm thinking. Like it's just him coming to a peaceful understanding that like depression and angst and everything that you go through in life, there is there's a beach at the end of it, if that makes sense. Like there's a light at the end of the tunnel. There's a beach at the end of your sleeve, and it's so beautiful. It made me feel so peaceful at the end. Like the first part, yes, it made me sad, but then at the end I was just like, there was a brightness to the track of the song that just made you feel serene at the end. I don't even know how to describe, I don't know how to fully describe it, but it's just like a feeling at the end where you're just like that's what that felt. This whole song felt like that's it. Oh, it was so beautiful. I cannot describe it. It was so beautiful. That man, he touches you with his lyrics, and it doesn't it just it catches you. Ah, oh my goodness. And in Waterfall, oh my god, Waterfall. So that first, the opening lyrics, I don't know the whole situation about what happened, but there were a few people in the comments who explained to me that there was allegations of a kind. And I don't know if those opening lyrics is tied to that allegation, and then him just accepting that there are things in life that are imperfect. Like your life is imperfect, but you can just accept it and choose to move forward. And like a waterfall, you'll just keep going. You know what I mean? Like dancing like a waterfall is a really like cool metaphor to use, because you can like look, the waterfall can just be like falling water, or it can like be bouncing off of like different rocks and stuff like that, so it looks different. And it can in some instances look like waterfall is dancing. So it's like it's such a interesting and beautiful metaphor to use it as like part of the song. Now I could be looking too deep into that and it could have no connection to the song, but it was so beautiful. And I don't know why they chose that scene, like that place to have the live performance, but it's very interesting that it's so dark and it's just him in a spotlight and it's like a field. I don't know if that plays into the lyrics of the song, but it was interesting choice. It definitely caught my attention. So, ooh. Oh, and then loved. Oh my god. Loved feels like, it's not a call out, but it's a call out. You know how like you trying to lie to yourself? And that's exactly like what that song was about. Like it felt like, it's one of those moments where it's like what's the word? Like you're trying to understand yourself, like, because there were some lyrics where he was like, I wish I had a like a wish in my pocket, or I want to look in the mirror or something like that. It's that effort to try to get to know yourself better, but then you end up lying to yourself in a way, because there was like a lot of like lyrics throughout the song where he was like, oh, I was lying. I would tell you it was this or this, and I'd be lying. And then there was another line where there was another line. There was another line that caught me. I can't remember it, but there was another line that really caught me. And that's the moment where I was like, the reality of some of the lyrics that he sings, it just hits close to home, me personally. I don't know for anybody else, but me personally, in a way that not a lot of other songs hit in the same way, if that makes sense. A lot of songs do hit me in like an emotional sense because it's talking about things that like maybe I have gone through or stuff like that, or it just is sad in of itself. But the truthfulness to some of these lyrics is just, it's a killer. It's a killer. It's a killer. And I have been not here. And it pisses me off that I did not know about this existence, the man's existence. And it pisses me the fuck off. Because why oh why have I not been here? Oh my God. I feel like whatever I said was really jumbled, but I tried to get it out there. I tried to, the first impressions, just get it out there. But it feels like I spoke a bunch of jumbled mess, but just know that I fucking enjoyed every moment of this. Every moment. Genius. This man's a genius. Genius is an understatement. Oh my God. Whew. Oh my God. Whew. Anyways, if you have some recommendations for me, remember that my Google form is in the description box down below. Remember that the first entry is required, but the other 4 are not, so feel free to give me as many or as little as you would like. You can also submit as many Google forms as you would like, but don't feel pressured. You can also just drop your recommendations in the comment box down below, and I will do my best to keep track of them. If this is your first time watching all these videos along with me, don't forget to drop your thoughts and comments down below. If this isn't the first time you're watching all 4 videos along with me, still drop your thoughts and comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and you can meet me back here tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for more reaction videos. Peace, y'all. I really have truly been missing out. I have been missing out.